Welcome to the Skill Course channel. In today's video, we will discuss about the hardware and software of a component. So let's start. Hardware means a physical component of a computer system or any electronic devices. It encompasses all the tangible parts that you can touch and see. Hardware includes components such as CPU, RAM, storage devices, input devices, output devices, and various other peripherals like graphics card, sound card, network card, and so on. Hardware is essential for operations and functionality of a computer or electronic devices. The CPU, often referred to as the brain of a computer, performs the actual processing of data and instruction. Memory allows the computer to store and access data quickly, while storage devices provide long-term data storage. Input devices enable the users to interact with the computer by providing input such as typing on a keyboard or moving a mouse. Output devices, on the other hand, display or present information to the user such as the images on monitor or printed pages from printer. Hardware can vary the terms of performance, capacity, and capabilities. Different types of hardware components are designed for specific purposes such as gaming graphics cards and high-quality gaming visual or specialized processor for handling complex calculation in scientific research. Overall hardware forms a physical infrastructure of a computer system and play a crucial role in determining its capabilities and performance. Hardware are a physical component of a computer system or electronic devices. Here are some common types of hardware components. First, CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It performs calculation, execution, instruction, and manage the flow of data within the system. Second, motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board of a computer. It provides platform for connecting and hardware components such as the CPU, RAM, storage devices, and expansion cards. Random access memory RAM. RAM is the volatile memory stores data and being actively used by CPU. It provides temporary storage to instruction and data, allowing for faster access than permanent storage. HDD. An HDD is a non-volatile storage device that used for spinning disks and to store and retrieve data. It provides long-term storage for operating system, software application, and user files. Solid-state drives are the non-volatile storage devices that use for flash memory to store and retrieve data. They are faster and more durable than HDD, making them popular for improving system performance. Graphic Processing Unit. Graphic Processing Unit is a specialized processor designed for rendering and display graphics. They are commonly used for gaming, video editing, and other graphical intensive applications. Power Supply Unit. The power supply unit is an electrical power for a component of a computer system. It converts AC power to wall outlet to DC power that is used by the various hardware components. Display monitor. The display monitor is the output devices to present visual information to the user. It allows the user to view text, image, videos, and other graphical content. Keyboard and mouse. The input devices allows the interact with the computer by entering commands and controlling on-screen cursor. Network Interface Card (NIC). The NIC enables the computer to connect networks such as Ethernet or a Wi-Fi and communicate with other devices on network. Sound card. A sound card enables to produce or record audio. It provides audio input and output ports for connecting speakers, headphones, microphones, and other audio devices. Optical devices. Optical devices such as CD, DVD allows the reading and writing data on optical discs. Peripheral devices. These devices such as printers, scanners, webcam, and external hard drives and other hardware components to connect to a computer to extend its functionality. Here are the few examples of a hardware component. There are specialized devices and components available for specific purpose and application. So let me discuss about the software. What is software? Software is the collection of a program instruction and data that enable the computer system to perform specific tasks or functions. It is a set of digital instructions or a code written by software developers using programming languages. Software can be categorized into two main types: system software and application software. First, system software. This type of software is the foundation of operation of a computer system. It includes the operating system, device drivers, firmware, and utility programs. The operating system is a core of software that manages the computer hardware resources, provide the user interface, and enable the execution of other software applications. Second, application software. This type of software is designed to perform specific tasks or provide functionality for an end user. Examples of application software include word processor, spreadsheet programs, web browser, email clients, media player, graphic design software, video games. Application software is built on top of system software and utilize the resources, provide a user-friendly interface, and perform desired functions. Software is typically created through process of software development, which involve designing, coding, testing, and maintaining the software ensure its reliability, functionality, and usability. It can be distributed as a pre-compiled and executable source code that need to compile or as a services and access over the internet. Software play a crucial role in various aspects of modern life. They with business operations and scientific research to entertainment and personal productivity. Conclusion. In a conclusion, the hardware and software is interdependent components that form the foundation of modern technology. Hardware provides the physical infrastructure, while software harnesses its capabilities to perform tasks and enable the user interaction. Their partnership has revolutionized in industries, transformation and daily lives, and opened up new possibilities. Advancement in hardware and software have led increase the computing power, improve the efficiency, and enhance user experiences. As the technology continues and evolves, the synergy between hardware and software will continue to drive an innovation and shape the future of our interconnected world. Thank you for watching. Would you please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thank you.